Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking of course at our impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this cycle of course, and we're still looking for a wave 5 to finish. Of course, we are on the daily chart here and we are looking at a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, probably very finished of course, and we are still looking for a wave 5 to hit around the 0.618, of course, taken from your wave 1 here and your wave 3 based on it, of course, to get the 0.618 as minimum target for the full impulse, of course. Now, if we take a look as well, while we have seen a lot of weakness the last week for Solana, and we saw the price action leaving the acceleration channel and even getting back to our base channel, which is not nice to see at all. But however, it appears today that this was a fake out and we're back of course over this base channel. Probably we want to test of course the acceleration channel and then moving inside it again impulsively for a wave 3 towards the upside, taking the high again. It would be nice to even reach the midline of the upper part and start to of course range inside it for multiple for 5. Now of course this is on the daily chart. If we move to the 1 hour chart to see what happened the last week, of course, in this very massive correction, we saw, of course, I mean, it can be taken in two scenarios here, this correction, where we see, of course, A, B with 3 waves for your wave B, and then, of course, 5 waves for your wave C. And that means your A has finished here as a zigzag A, B, and a C, which is much more possible. And it can also be taken as A for 3 waves down, WXY, of course, for your wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C. After finishing, of course, is this wave 4 here, we are looking currently on the 1 hour chart to a leading diagonal with 5 waves toward the upside. However, this wave has started to be longer than your wave 3 probably, and that means this might be your double 1, 2 here. So to make sure of it, of course, maybe let's go to the 15-minute chart. It would be much clearer. Here we go. So if we take the fib level taken from this wave here, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No, I think we are still good. Yeah, that's why sometimes it's very important to go on the 15-minute chart to see some micro analysis inside it. So what we are looking at is probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, but yeah, this wave 5 doesn't look impulsive here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if that is the whole wave 5, that of course then this might be your wave 3. So yeah, there is several scenarios here, but it can be also finished here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then of course wave 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what? Okay, so we are still probably in a diagonal. Let's put this into a label so it would be much better. Yeah, so what we are looking at probably is a contracting diagonal like this, and 2 with the 4. And this is your wave 3 here. Now this has overshoot a little bit, but it's fine. Yeah, so your wave 3, let's see if we still, yeah, it's not longer. Wave 5 diagonal, here we go. Oh, okay, so we were very close. Yes, we did not invalidate it. We were very close to invalidate it, right, by reaching the 1, 2, 1, but we still very good in the shape as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for leading diagonal. Now, probably we would like to see, of course, a wave 2, even if it is shallow. Okay, shallow wave 2 is fine, and then continuation towards the upside. If it continue from now and it invalidates this, therefore directly invalidation of diagonal, and you have to consider this 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, of course, with double 1, 2s. So these are the scenarios for Solana right now. Both are bullish, so it doesn't matter if it is a diagonal or invalidated diagonal. If we take this price, of course, then we are in a impulse with double 1, 2s. which is also good, right? So yeah, these are the insights for Solana. So basically, two scenarios. In contracting diagonal, you would like to see a wave 2, even if it is shallow a little bit, and continuation towards the upside. If we take the high, the price at $227, that means we invalidate this diagonal and it becomes a double 1-2 and then 3-4-5-4-5 to take the high, of course, for Solana. And be careful today, there is some news, so they are coming news very, very soon. Of course, be careful with it. It might, of course, affect the price of the US dollar, which can affect the whole market. And it's a very important news which related to inflation and interest rate, of course, because the interest rate is related to the inflation. And this can be the most effective news on the market. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.